Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Subaru XV, stock reference number 4947. This shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 10th month 2014. It has a FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We've got the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.